Good morning, Hamby families. This is Mrs. Cabrera. I just wanted to do a little recording of how you're going to go into Schoology. Once you've logged in, you're going to see several courses. You're going to go to the one that's purple that says Mrs. Cabrera's Classroom with a happy little apple. Then, under that, you're going to see the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Well, tomorrow is Wednesday, so you're going to go into Wednesday. Each day we're going to try to put a to-do list so you have an idea of the different things you have to do. There's a read aloud at 9 a.m. with a discussion board posted. I will show you that. Morning meeting and shared reading is on a Zoom. Math, whole group, are staying on Zoom. And then they have lunch, social and emotional learning, and specials, which you'll go into those courses. I don't have access to those courses, but your students will see them when they open up in Schoology. Then we have ELA small group, which you're going to go on to Epic for 15-20 minutes to do a read to me books. And then there's a handwriting assignment. Then there is a science video to watch and complete. And then math small group is Dreambox. You'll see underneath the to-do list, there's a folder named AM work and then a folder named PM work. We're trying to keep it a little bit easy, and it has a time and what parts are self-paced and what parts are not. So we'll start at the reading morning work. In it, it'll open and you'll see that my digital classroom. It says morning meeting, shared reading, math, 9:20 to 11:20. You're going to be clicking on this picture at 9:20. It will bring you to the Zoom. I will also post the Zoom information on Dojo later. But also, starting at 9, they have a read aloud, and they're going to click on the picture and listen to the read aloud. When they are done, they're going to go to the read aloud response question. And you'll even see I've posted a video of how to do it. You can go in, put their name in, but they can get the audio video recording. And you can record, they can be recorded to the response. The question was, what was your favorite part of the story? Example, I liked it when he painted his, and that's what I did down here. You can even play it to see. Okay. After that, we have shared reading. Shared reading is from 9:40 to 10:25, and it is live. And that's the link you're going to click up here. And then we also, but sometimes we may ask you to post an assignment to be completed on Zoom, just like we did with the read aloud. And same with math. After the math, we may ask you to take a picture and post the homework page to the daily lesson and upload it. Example of that, this was not an assignment. This is just from the workbook. It's old. But again, I might say, oh, please post today's work. Put your name in. Go to File, and you can from File, you can upload the picture of the assignment. Okay, let's go back to Wednesday. And then after math is done, you have lunch of social emotional learning. Then starting at 1:10, we have reading small group, live and self-paced, science, live or self-paced this week and into next week. Science will be self-paced. And then math small group from 2:40 through 10 is live and self-paced. This week, the small groups that are live is if I've emailed you a Zoom information about that. So if I need to meet with your child to assess them, okay? It's not whole group live on math, reading small group, or math small group. That's only if I send you an email with a Zoom to asking if I could assess your student. But again, you'll go in here. You'll see small group reading, and there's a welcome message. And then you'll see reading DI groups. Right now, again, the first few weeks of school, the small group, we are going to be probably assessing your kids. So do not worry about that. The second one, written response. If we might ask you to post a picture of an assignment that we completed for writing. Right now, you have nothing to do. So it's all good. But then you have handwriting. You do have a handwriting assignment. You're going to go into handwriting. You're going to watch the video. Here's the link for the video. Take a picture of the assignment and post work, just like you did in the discussion board. You're going to go in. You can write the student's name, Sam, and then you pull up Sam's work. You find it after you've taken a picture of it, and click it. I'm using the math one again, but just as an example, we put Sam, samples work, and hit post. Okay, and then Sam's work will come up. Okay. Again, you're going to start at courses. You're going to look for the purple square. You can start showing them. You start at the purple square. You're going to look for the day. Wednesday is yellow. Wednesday is always going to be yellow. Monday is always going to be red. Tuesday is always going to be orange. Thursday is always going to be green. Friday is always going to be blue. So we're going to go into Wednesday. Okay, and that way you can go back to your agenda, see what you see, if you've missed anything. You'll remember to go into the AM work, and then you can start from there. You can start showing your child how to click on some of these things themselves, okay? Again, I will post the Zoom information just for today, for Wednesday on Dojo, but from then on, you're going to click the link. If there'll be something like this for the afternoon links, we will post a digital classroom. If there's a science link, if we're going to have it live, a live Zoom for science, or if we're once we start small groups, we will have a classroom like this, but it will be in the PM folder, and you'll click on the link in the PM folder when we have live science or live reading small group or live math small group. For the first few weeks of school, we will not have live small group reading or small group math, because that's the time we will be assessing students. I know this was a little long, but thank you so much.